Determine whether the given ordered pair is a solution of the system of equations. The ordered pair is -2, -1. The system of equations is 2y minus 3x equals 4 and x equals 4 plus 2y. To check, we substitute the ordered pair in each of the equations, and it has to make both of the equations true in order to be a solution of the system of equations. So we'll start with the first equation, 2y minus 3x equals 4, and we substitute alphabetically -2 for x and -1 for y. So I have 2 times -1 minus 3 times -2, and I ask myself if that equals 4. I have -2 plus 6, which does equal 4, so this is true, and I have shown that the ordered pair is a solution of the first equation. Now I have to check it with the second equation. X equals 4 plus 2y. I substitute -2 for x and -1 for y. Calculating, I have 4 minus 2, or 2. We see that -2 does not equal 2, so therefore the statement -2 equals 2 is false. Now, since the ordered pair does not make the second equation true, it is not a solution of the system of equations. So we could just write the answer as no.